So today we will learn how to draw a line segment and how to divide it internally into equal parts. So here I have written one question, that is, draw a line segment AB is equals to 5 centimeter and divide it internally into 6 parts. So we have to draw a line segment that is of 5 centimeter. So we will draw a line segment that is of 5 centimeter, and then we will use the concept of parallel lines. That is, we have to draw a parallel line from A and from B in the opposite direction, and we will use the concept of alternate angles here. In case of parallel lines, the alternate angles are equal, so I will make a angle here at A and at B, and that too of same measure, to draw a parallel line from A and B. So open the compass of your choice, and after that let's make an angle of 60 degree, because that is the easiest angle to draw. Now this is an angle of 60 degree. And let's divide these line segment into 6 equal parts. Let us divide AX and BY in 6 equal parts. So we have to divide it with a equal measure. So adjust it according to your wish. And 6 small cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, that is 6. The same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then let us name it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and let it be A6. In the same way, this one will be B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and B6. Now what we will do, we will join A and B6. So let's join these two line segments, A and B6. Then A1 and B5. A2 and B4. A3 and B3. Now we have got 6 equal parts of this line AB. This is of 5 centimeter, and we are getting 6 equal parts of this AB. This is one part, this is second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part, and sixth part. So let's see the second question. The second question is, draw a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter. Divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. What is the length of each part? Now, since the size of my board is too big, so I am not going to use exactly 5.5 centimeter, but when you are solving in your copy, please draw a line segment of 5.5 centimeter exactly. That means the length of line segment should be exact 5.5 centimeter. Use the ruler to draw that a line segment of 5.5 centimeter. So you will take a scale, draw a line segment of 5.5 centimeter. Since my 5.5 centimeter is too small, so what I am going to take, I am going to take a big line which is not equal to 5.5 centimeter, but let us assume that this is 5.5 centimeter. I am just telling you the process how to draw the how to divide the line segment in the ratio 2:3. But I'm repeating once again, when you are drawing it, when you are constructing it, or when you are dividing the line segment into 2:3 ratio, please draw a line segment of exact 5.5 centimeter with the help of scale. So let's suppose this is 5.5 centimeter. I'm going to name it as A and B. The same thing which we have done in the previous question, the same thing we will do here. That is, we will draw a angle of 60 degree. Now since the ratio is 2:3, the ratio is 2:3. So we will add all it, we will add these two numbers, that is 2 and 3, and we will divide the line segment in total 5 equal parts. So we have to divide the line segment into number of parts, that is 2 plus 3. That means I am going to divide it into 5 equal parts. So adjust your compass according to your choice. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This side also. One, 2, let's name it. So this will be A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. Now what we will do, we will join this 2 and 3. That means we will join A2 and B3. The ratio is 2:3. So we will join A2 and B3. So this is A2 and this is B3. Let's join these two. Let it be a point P. So we can write here कि AP ratio PB will be equal to 2:3. Let's see the next question. The next question is question number 8 of worksheet 3. Draw a line segment AB is equals to 6 centimeter. Find a point Q on it such that AQ is equals to 2/3 BQ. The same thing we will do, that is, we have to draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. So it should be exact 6 centimeter. Okay. My board is too big, so I am considering this line as 6 centimeter, but what you have to do, you have to draw a line segment of exact 6 centimeter. This is AB. Now let's see, it's given here. It's given in the question, that is AQ is equals to 2 by 3 QB. That means we can write here AQ by QB is equals to 2 by 3. So the number of parts will be, that is 2 plus 3, that is 5. We will divide this line segment in 5 equal parts. Let it be A1. Now we will add, this is 2, this is 3, so we'll add A2 with B3. This is Q. And now we can write here, that is AQ by QB is equals to 2 by 3, or AQ is equals to 2 by 3 QB.